The BabyWeigh II Scale is specifically designed by Medela to evaluate how much a baby consumes during breastfeeding. In this video, we'll review steps on how to use the BabyWeigh II Scale. Before using the scale, place it on a flat surface to ensure an accurate measurement. Plug in the AC power adapter whenever possible. The scale also has batteries for backup if needed. To make sure the scale is balanced, turn the 4 adjusters on the bottom of the scale so that the air bubble in the level guide is positioned in the center of the circle. Confirm that all 4 adjusters are in contact with the surface. Then press the on button and wait for 0 to appear in the display. Test weights are most accurate in the gram mode. To select grams, press the units button to select grams instead of pounds. When you dress the baby for test weights, be certain that clothing and blankets are identical for both pre- and post-feeding weights. Even a bootie, hat, or a pacifier will have an impact on the weight. When performing test weights, remember, do not change the diaper or clothing between the before and after weights. Use a bib when feeding to collect drip breast milk, and do not include it in the before and after weights. To improve accuracy, bundle active babies and make sure all blankets, clothing, and extremities are inside the scale basket and not touching the side of the scale. Never leave a baby unattended on the scale, even for an instance. As a safeguard, you should place one hand just above but not resting on the baby whenever the baby is on the scale. And under no circumstance should you ever place a baby on the scale and turn or step away. Here are instructions for weighing setup. The pre-weight is the baby's weight before feeding. Ensure that the display has been reset to 0. If it has not, press the on button to zero out the display. Step 1. Place the baby on the scale, holding one hand just above the baby. Wait until the display indicates a lock on the weight. You will hear a beep sound. The value that appears is the pre-weight. Step 2. Press the 1 button to store the pre-weight. Step 3. Remove the baby from the scale, placing the baby in a safe location and record the pre-weight. After pre-weighing the baby, breastfeed the baby and leave the scale on. After feeding the baby, weigh the baby for the post-weight. The post-weight is the baby's weight after feeding. The difference between the pre-weight and the post-weight will determine how much the baby fed. Step 1. If the scale has powered off, press the power button and wait until the 0 appears in the display. The pre-weight is saved in memory even if the scale is powered off. Step 2. Place the baby on the scale, holding one hand just above the baby. Wait until the display indicates a lock on the weight by emitting a beep sound. The value that appears is the post weight. Step 3. Press the 2 button to store the post weight. Step 4. Remove the baby from the scale and place the baby in a safe location. Step 5. Press the 3 button to display the calculated breast milk intake. Press buttons 1 or 2 to recall the pre- or post-weight respectively. Step 6. Record the post-weight and the calculated amount fed. Step 7. Press the off button to turn off the scale. The last set of weights will remain in memory. Refer to the instructions for use for a complete list of instructions.